What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're going to be racing the flood in beamng.drive. This might be hard. We might not survive. We'll see. It's going to get fast, and it's going to get hard. Let's get ready to go. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go! Racing the flood here. I don't know if I'm going to survive, but we'll see. Oh, no, it's already getting hard. If I crash, I can reset to the same spot I am, but I have to wait 5 seconds, which can actually be hard. Wait 5 seconds. If I crash and reset, I have to reset. I do not want to crash. Gotta keep on going. Oh no. I'm already not doing very good. I almost quit already. Oh. I'm too fast. I'm going a bit too fast. Oh no. Not that good at driving in G, so I try. Oh no. That one was close. I thought I'd stay to the left, I think. Yeah, stay to the left, just in case. How close is it? It's not that close. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. Slow down, turn, make a turn. I can do this. Why does there have to be a ditch? Closer. Okay. Hold on. Where's the water level? Oh, let's go. It's coming up kind of fast. Survive this, we're going to try it again, but in a harder difficulty. Because this difficulty is for how easy for one. So, like kind of a noob, so I kind of have it on easy to start with. If I survive this, we have a harder difficulty. What is this? What is this? Oh my god! No! There's no roading! I used to take the first class for this! Oh no. Oh, I'm not remember. What are they called? Scientific road. Terrible sound. Oh. Not meant for off-roading. I'm good if I find more off-roading. Bumpy, the road's getting bumpy. Woo! Let's go this one. I'm already being an idiot. A shortcut. I think it'll be worth it. Okay. Maybe that was worth it. go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go. Okay. I'm so excited for the 0.39 update. Coming in like a few days, I'm pretty sure. So, oh, holy voice. Wow. Okay. Oh, and nothing else. It might seem like I'm doing good. Very low rapidly, but I'm not going to drive when I crash a lot. And that means I have to take up 5 seconds. And it's getting windy. I'm not the best of friends. Oh no. What am I doing? See, already I'm starting to crash again. It's game over if I fall off a cliff. Can we call this a checkpoint? Yeah, call this a checkpoint. I get a little break. Okay. So that was insane. This is my checkpoint. I just paused the game. Okay. That is crazy. How close is it? It's kind of far away. Okay. Let's increase how fast it goes by a tiny bit. There we go. You change the speed a tiny bit. Now let's go. Okay, now it's going by faster. Oh, it's going a lot faster. Oh, why did I do that? I wasn't even planning on doing that, man. Okay. Oh, that is actually getting way harder. Oh, it's really close. Oh. At some point, I get to change it down a bit because this is too hard. Ooh. Another spot like a gas station or something. That's when I get to change it back down. Oh crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go! Oh, that was a close one! That's the worst spot. Why? Okay, go, go! Pretty hard. Okay. Gotta go faster. Don't wanna crash. Don't wanna crash. Oh, that was a jump right there. Oh my god. If I just took that, I would have been cooked. Now I'd be dead. Oh no. Pause. You gotta change my vehicle. I'm gonna do still buckle bastion. But I need to find an off-road version. If there is one. If there isn't, then I'll have to do a different car. Okay. Well, I can do a truck. The only problem is this thing's slower. Okay. This is not cheating, okay? This one. No! Oh. We have to try again. Okay. Let's try again. Our last try. Let's make it not so fast. You know, just in case. Let's stick with this car, because this is probably going to help us a lot more. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Off to a great start. Let's wait for it to get down there. Then I guess we'll go. Let's go. That's actually not pause. What do I do? Like, I'm right there. Okay, I'll wait for 10. This is a gas station, so I'll just wait for 10 seconds. That's fair. Anyways, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I get 315. Go! Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go. Noise. I should probably go. Let's go. That's what I want to do. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna count to 20 because I accidentally clicked on the respawn button. I get used to now, even though I'm getting Guys, I made it. I actually made it. Wait, hold on. I made it! What's this? Mudslide. I made it. Hold on, I have something to do. Get ready. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Jet engine color time! I did it! Well, that's it for today's video. I survived the flood, which is good. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!